Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial where I will be presenting how to perform fragment replacement using SMILES Manager Element in Samson. Here are the results of fragment replacement of capsaicin with other fragments highlighted in red. You can see at the left the initial molecule and at the right the new molecules. Let's see how to do that by first adding the initial molecule. You can either add them using a file or manually. Now let's go to the replaced fragment section where you can enter your replaced fragment. Then you proceed to the adding of the replacing fragments. You can add them the same way using a file or manually. Now let's run the replacement. As you can see, it's quite fast. We have already the results shown here with the new fragments highlighted in red. You can also generate their 3D structure. That's it. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you have some questions, and see you soon.